Alright, this is the shuttle parking garage elevator at Weston 1. I didn't even know this elevator existed.
I wonder if it's hydro. Send it to the bottom floor. What was my voice?
And if you don't mind, Andrew, I do my solo ride because I want to listen to that motor. So with that being said, the button is at a non-ADA height. Anyways, this is just exactly like the main elevator. Here's your phone. Anyways, this has got the best motor. You gotta hear this.
That does have a good motor.
What do you think of that?
It's got that classic Dover motor.
Wow, I heard that too. That just made my day, Andrew.
It's nice.
With that being said,
Bye, y'all.